I led significant projects and took teams to finish line. Every time I start working on a big project, there are few things that I do all the time. One of them is making an end-to-end plan. I would start by thinking about launch has already happened and the product is in the hand of user, and I start thinking what are the things that we need at that time, technical and non-technical, communication and education, support, all the thing that comes to mind, I write it down. Then I meet with product managers, engineering managers, UX managers, support staff, QA team, and brainstorm with them. What are the things that we need before go live? What are the things that we need after go live? Everything that people can think of that can affect this go live. Now, remember, always remember, technical activities, especially development, is only 30% of your product. There are so much more that goes into a product and especially successful release and successful product launch. For example, you introduce a significant features, but your user have no idea how to use it. That's number one. Number two, when they have questions, they would go to whatever the front desk team members or phone numbers or support team members, right? They will reach out to them. You have to make sure entire group of people are aware of this change. They know how to handle the question that will arrive either from users or their own internal team, and how to answer them. And frequently asked questions, FAQ documents are tremendously helpful. Most of the time you want is a documentation of how this feature works, then a documentation on what kind of question that can come, what kind of challenges can come, what kind of issues can arrive. Think from that point and start backward to think about other activities at the time of deployment. What are the things that we need? What kind of database changes are needed? What kind of communication is needed? What kind of production downtime message that we would need? Who need to be aware before and after? So think about all that and then move to pre-launch activities. So there are a lot of activities and configuration that you need before the go live. A lot of preparation that required, a lot of communication has to be done and training has to be done before reaching that point. There is a massive list of everything you need to do to develop this new feature or product, whether it is UX, development, sprint testing, QA, regression testing, risk. During this process, one of the major things that will happen that you will be able to identify so many dependencies and risks, list them, and in follow-up sessions, think about what you could do to handle those risks. What are the different things that you could do to minimize those risks? So this will give you a big picture of what this launch, release, and deployment will look like. What are the adoption techniques that you will be able to utilize? And then always remember, this is not a replacement of your day-to-day management. This is not a replacement for a tool like JIRA. You still need that for your detailed planning, your day-to-day activities, sprint planning, whatnot, whatever method, whatever process that you are following, you still need all of them. But do not confuse those type of detail with this high-level detail. We're talking about milestone, we're talking about dependencies, we're talking about a roadmap. So you need both. Having this end-to-end, high-level, big picture will tremendously help you whenever you start this product, this type of planning. Most of the time, you can track monthly or bi-weekly, and then your JIRA and other whatever tool that you use can help you on a day-to-day basis. Read the post. It has more detail about what I'm talking, and then follow me for more. Bye for now.